Hello guys, please if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. Now we are looking at 5 exponents 10 minus 10 exponents 5. We have to simplify this without using a calculator. Okay, we have to simplify without using a calculator. So let's start. So we have 5, this 5 exponent 10, we can express it as 5 exponent 5 plus 5. Okay, minus this 10, we can say that is 2 times 5. Okay, exponent 5. Now, from here, we can write it as 5 exponent 5 multiplied by 5 exponent 5 minus, then we have 2 exponent 5 multiplied by 2 exponent 5. Sorry, 5 exponent 5. Forgive me for using these two tools. So now we are having common terms here. Okay, so we can say that 5 exponent 5 outside, and then leaving 5 exponent 5 minus 2 exponent 5. Now 5 exponent 5, you need to break it down because we are not using a calculator. You have to do it step by step. So 5 squared is 25. Okay, 5 exponent 3 is the same as 25 times 5, and it's equal to 125. 5 exponent 4 is 125 multiplied by 5, which is 625. 5 exponent 5 is the same as 625 multiplied by 5, and it's equal to 3125. So our expression now becomes 3125 bracket, which is 3125 minus 2 exponent 5 is common, which is 32. Like this. So now 3125 is bracket. So 3125 minus 32, you are getting 3093. Yeah. Now, this is very huge figures to multiply without using a calculator. So let us try to break the one in the bracket down first. So which is equal to 3125 into bracket. So we have 3000 plus 90 plus 3. Okay. So which is equal to 3125 multiplied by 3000 plus 3125 multiplied by 90 plus 3125 multiplied by 3 is equal to, now this zeros, we're going to get 0, 0, 0. Then 3 times 5 is 15. So you say that 5, remainder of 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, which is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus this, it will be 0 here. 9 times 5 is 45. So 5, remainder of 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 2, which is 11. So 1, remainder of 1. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1, which is 28. Plus, now 3 times 5 is 15. So 5, remainder of 1. 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 3 times 1, I get it 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So now that we're able to multiply these numbers, we need to add them in order to get the final answer. So to get the final answer, we need to add this. We have 5 plus 0, which is 5 plus 0 is 5. So 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 0 will be 2. A remainder of 1. 3 plus 2, you are getting 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1, which is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 5, which is 15. So 5, a remainder of 1. So we have 8 plus 7, which is 15. 15 plus 1, which is 16. So 6, remainder of 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1, you get to 6. Then plus 9. So to simplify without using calculator, of 5 exponent 10 minus 10 exponent 5 is equal to 9, 6, 6, 5, 6, 2, 5. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share other methods of getting this answer correct. Thank you. Bye.